Your myAT&T account lets you view, manage, and pay your bill online, either using the myAT&T app on your smart device or with your browser at att.com/myATT. If you log into your account using a browser on your mobile device, the navigation and information is the same as the desktop experience, but the layout will look a little different. To get started, simply log into your myAT&T account. Forgot your user ID or password? No problem. Just select either the Forgot User ID or Forgot Password link and we'll help you out. Now that you're logged in, notice the tabs along the top. If you'd just like to make a payment, select the Payments tab, and you can fill in the fields to make a payment using a new or stored debit or credit card, bank account, or check out the More tab for even more payment options. If you'd like to view your bill, select the Bill tab at the top. Here on the Bill and Pay page, you'll see your current billing info. Here's your account number, total amount due, due date, bill period, and a link to see usage details. You can make a payment or set up or manage autopay, and there's an option to quickly download a copy of your bill or select Print Bill to print a copy of your bill, and a Bill History button to review how your billing has changed over the last several months. In the next section, you'll see each of your wireless lines. To see a breakdown for any line, simply select the wireless number to see expanded info. Select any item here, and you'll see further detail. Now, let's check out the Settings tab. The top section is one place where you can easily set up or manage autopay and paperless billing. Under Payments, you'll see Scheduled Payments. Just select this, and you'll see any future dated payments already set up. Select Installment Plans, and you'll be taken to a page showing any device installment details if you've already purchased a device under installment. Now, if you need to schedule a future payment that's past your due date, we have a payment arrangement selection. Select Stored Payment Methods to add, edit, or delete a bank account or any credit or debit card info that you've saved with us. Next, depending on your account, you may see an option to set up or manage Text to Pay. With Text to Pay, you can pay your wireless bill with a simple text message. Select this option to explore and set up Text to Pay. There are many ways you can pay your bill. Select Other Ways to Pay to see all the ways to pay online, in person, through mail, or over the phone. Now in the Billing section, you'll see Billing Contact Info, where you can update your contact info for your phone, email, and physical address. Wireless Nickname lets you personalize how your wireless lines are labeled and manage authorized or secondary users. Select Billing Notifications to be taken to the Communication Preferences page, where you can set up account alerts for when your bill is ready, there's payment activity, or a bill threshold. You can also enable service alerts and adjust privacy plus targeted advertising options. The Bill Language option lets you switch between English and Spanish. If you select Manage Plan, you'll be taken to your My Wireless page, where you can manage your wireless plans and features. And finally, we have your Support section. Choose Issues with Payment if you need assistance with a payment-related issue. Select Bill and Account Help for solutions to a wide range of support issues, including helpful articles and videos. Or select Transfer of Billing Responsibility to move a service to another person. Thank you for learning all the great ways you can view, pay, and manage your account online.